Morning everyone. We're out near Lancaster, PA. It's almost like winter time out here again. 33 degrees, windy as can be. So if you can't hear anything, sorry ahead of time. Today we got a long pipe dig to do, 650 feet. It's gonna be a multiple day job. We're gonna start at the compound. We gotta bring up our 4-inch pipe, hit that gray mark there. We're gonna be coming straight across under the fence. We gotta remove a couple of these little pine trees here. And we're gonna 90 right over. Come right down along the fence here. We have some electric across there. Sure, we're gonna have some other conduits from that backboard there. Now, the drawing shows us putting in 3 pool boxes, but we're probably gonna only go with 1 right in this area here. The reason why is because this is a farm field. So we put a pool box in and the farmer comes out to do some work, whether it be plow the field, do some seeding, and he runs it over, then we're responsible to come out and fix it. So we're waiting on approval that we don't have to put them in. So guys, let's do the work. Well, we got inside the compound, all dug out. Had to dig it from the side. Not really any room in here for Ed to sit parallel with the trench to dig like you normally would. We found 3 pipes so far, a 4-inch, a 2-inch, and another 2-inch. We're going to those cabinets right there. The two 2-inchers and then the 4-incher is obviously coming up right there. So we got a little change of plans here. Rather than 90ing and going down the fence line, we decided to 45. It's a little bit better of a shot. And Ed had a tough time getting in here, so we already had to take down more trees. So since we did that, we might as well 45. Because it'll put our pool box off the road a little more and in a better location. into the site. So far, we have about 110 feet of pipe in the ground, roughly. Still working on the main trench, going all the way out. That'll be another day or so. We got our first pool box, all backfilled, graded out around it. We got all the brush that we cut down, stacked into a pile. Cleaned up this run between the trees, graded it out. Look good. Now inside of the compound, we still have to do. The electrician's working on core drilling through it. So we like to leave an open hole for them guys while they're drilling. Makes it easier for them to work at waist level. Now out in this field area, we're looking for 40 inches since there's tractors that drive up and down to this field. Keep those pipes from getting damaged. We're just gonna keep going with this main run, then we'll drop back for what we have open and see what time it is. Let's keep going. We got all the pipe in the ground that we're going to install today. We left the end of the trench a little bit wider so it's easier tomorrow to connect to that pipe that's in there already. I left a little stake here so Ed knows where to stop when he's backfilling. This makes it easier for him. We'll leave this little pothole open and we'll danger tape around it. We have between 350 and 400 feet of pipe in the ground so far. Roughly. I haven't actually stopped to count it. Just a quick count judging by the pile there. And we are at a consistency of about 40 inches of depth. Ed's gonna backfill, a lift, a jumping jack, put our tape in, and then we'll put another lift in, jumping jack, and then grade it all off. And we'll do inside of the compound last. The electrician is still in there working. So